Hey all, let's have a quick look at these KAYGO gloves. Now these are for homeowners or maybe somebody who needs to wear gloves all day long. They're perfect because they breathe. Your hands are not going to sweat using this. And the other thing I like about them is if you need to cut something, for example, as a homeowner, then you can grip it and hold it and it doesn't slide in your hand. And that's because of the polyurethane finish that's on these. Now these are not waterproof gloves. If you put your hand in water or if you're working with something that's really wet, it's going to seep through. And the same with oil. If you're a mechanic and you're getting your hands all oily all day long, the oil is going to seep through. So if you're looking for waterproof gloves, these are not the ones. Let me tell you something else these things don't do, and they are not touch screen friendly. So if you're in a situation where you need to use a touch screen, these don't work. The manufacturer does make other gloves that I believe are probably not polyurethane finish on the inside that work fine. Let me go ahead and reposition the camera. I'm going to zoom in real tight on these gloves so you can see what they look like up close. These gloves are washable, and the manufacturer says you can put them in the dryer to tumble dry. Now, I've been using these for years. As I get older, the skin of my hand seems to get pretty fragile and cuts easily, which, by the way, makes these a great gift for seniors like me. Now, I use these gloves for absolutely everything I do around the house, including washing the windows. I switched to KAYGO because the other brand I was using just didn't hold up. So I guess I've been buying these now for the last 5 years. Do they last forever? Nope. Because if they did, they wouldn't sell them in a 12-pack. But that's the thing. The 12-pack is an excellent value when you break down the cost for each pair. I'm a satisfied user, and I recommend you give them a try.